In this short video you will see how to replace the key fob battery of Nissan Qashqai J11 in just 4 easy steps. Required tools: flat blade screwdriver. 1. Remove the blade from the key. 2. Insert the screwdriver into those 2 small holes and twist it to open the key fob in half. 3. Remove the battery and replace it with a new one. Nissan Qashqai J11 is using for the key fob a CR2032 battery that you can find it below in the video description. Four. Put the key part back together. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.